What is up, rich girls? It's your favorite rich girl, Richgirlred, and I'm back with another one. So today we are going to be talking about how to pluck your lace wig. This is a 13x4 Amazon lace wig, 30 inches down to the ground, baby. And I'm about to show y'all how to pluck this wig. But first, let's go ahead and get into the intro.
But it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me.
Alright, rich girls, so for this tutorial you are going to need a slanted tweezers and some mousse or a spray bottle. So how I like to start off, I like to kind of claw the hair, if that makes any sense. So put the hair in between all of my fingers to get a good grip, and then I start plucking from the front of the hairline and move back. So how I like to pluck, I'm going to kind of show y'all first, move my hand out the way, but how I like to pluck is I start just before the center on one side and I pluck, skip, pluck, and skip. So you want to make sure that you are maintaining the same motion throughout the entire process of you plucking, because you want the hairline to be consistent but to also come off as realistic. So you don't want to over pluck. You want to make sure you kind of get a count of how you want it pluck. So usually I 1 2 3 skip, 1 2 3 skip, 1 2 3 skip, and I'll kind of show y'all what I'm talking about in the next clip. Also, you don't want to over pluck in the front of the hairline because you don't want to push the hairline back too far. But I am getting a lot of these hairs because if you watch my previous video on how I fixed the over processed lace, you can see I still have a few blonde hairs that needed to be plucked out. So now that I'm parting the hair, I'm moving on to the next section, and I'm going to show y'all exactly what I mean by the plucking. So you want to make sure you are plucking at an angle. You want to 1 2 3 skip, 1 2 3 skip, pushing it back, 1 2 3, and skipping. Also, if you notice, you can see how that hair is coming directly out, almost like it's making a little hole where I plucked. That's exactly how you want the hair to come out, you guys. You do not want the knot to be left on the lace. You want to make sure you pluck the hair completely out. Just like if you were plucking a hair follicle out of someone's head, you want to make sure you pluck that follicle completely off that lace, because you do not want it to be any knots left. So I'm just gonna kind of speed up, show y'all, continue to show y'all how I pluck. I like to part in different sections as well while I pluck and hit the front again. And I've moved on to the next side. What I like to tell people as well, as you're plucking, you definitely want to make sure that you are plucking at an angle, like I said, and you also want to make sure that you are plucking consistently on both sides. So you want to use the same technique that you're using on one side. On the other side, you want to pluck at the same pace, and you want to make sure that you pluck in the same way, because you want the hairline to flow. You don't want it to look good on one side and then it looks crazy on the other side. I've had wigs that look like that, so trust me. But you also want to make sure that you are getting a good enough tweezer. I cannot stress this enough. Please make sure you invest in a good tweezer, you guys, because that is so important for making sure that it plucks the hair good. Like, you also want to make sure you invest in a decent lace. This lace is actually pretty good for this wig. I got this wig off Amazon for $100. I will be posting my affiliate link down below if you want to get this wig. I literally got it for under $100, y'all. And it's 30 inches long. And I'm not gonna lie, this wig it's pretty nice. For under $100, I can't lie. this wig did exactly what it needed to do. And also, I did not pay for this wig because I am a wig influencer. The company actually sent me this wig. So if you guys would like to see how to become a wig influencer, you guys can check out my last video that I posted on how to become a wig influencer on my YouTube channel. Also, ladies, when you are plucking, especially if you are plucking with thin lace, please be careful while you are plucking. It is so easy to get so caught up in plucking, especially if you're in a rush and you're trying to get that wig done, honey. And I get it, but please make sure y'all are taking your time. You do not want to rip the lace. But if you do rip the lace, I will definitely be posting a video super soon, a tutorial on how you can literally patch up the holes in your lace. Y'all, I got all the content for y'all. I've been doing this thing for a long time. I literally been doing hair since I was 16. Been doing wigs since I was 16. So I know how to fix holes on lace. I can fix color. Like, girl, I can do whatever you need to be done with your wig. Okay, so if you are trying to get that type of content, this is the perfect YouTube channel for you, honey. Best to believe. So the rest of this video is pretty much self-explanatory. I don't want to talk too much. I'm just gonna let the rest of the video play. I love y'all so much, and I thank y'all so much for just watching my video, loving on me, loving on my channel, and just getting my channel to 61 subscribers. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of this month, by the end of August. So y'all keep hitting that subscribe button, y'all keep hitting that notification bell, and y'all keep hitting that like button. Make sure you share to a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. And I love y'all so much. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.